Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Zelle to PayPal. First, you can't send money directly from Zelle to PayPal because they use different systems. But you can still move your money by using your bank account as the bridge. Here's how. First, receive the money with Zelle. Have the sender send funds to your Zelle link US bank account. Zelle deposits the money directly into your bank, usually within minutes. Link your bank account to PayPal. Log in to PayPal and go to Wallet. Click Link a bank account, then follow the prompts to connect the same bank account that received your Zelle funds. Make sure the name on your bank account matches your PayPal account name. Next, add money to PayPal. Go to your PayPal wallet again, select Transfer Money, then choose Add Money to your balance. Next, choose Bank and Amount. Select your link bank, enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm. Transfers typically take 3 to 5 business days to appear in your PayPal balance. Important tips: name match. Your bank and PayPal names must match for the transfer to go through. Use the website. Adding money to PayPal is available on the PayPal website, not the mobile app. Check fees. PayPal usually doesn't charge for this transfer, but confirm with your bank if they do. No Zelle's purpose. Zelle is designated for US bank-to-bank transfers, not for online payments or international transfers. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Zelle to PayPal. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.